Hello, digital hustlers. Are you tired of dealing with the constant headaches that come with managing multiple accounts? Whether it's switching between different social media profiles, handling affiliate dashboards, or running various online stores, multi-accounting can get overwhelming. Now, imagine a browser that makes all of this easy. It allows you to switch between profiles quickly, while ensuring that each account's data remains separate and secure. No more logging in and out all day. No more risks of data mixing, just a smooth and hassle-free way to manage your accounts. When you're dealing with multiple accounts, the right tool can save you valuable time and reduce stress. You need a browser specifically designed for multi-accounting, making it simple to keep your work organized. GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting because it's built to meet the needs of people who manage different online profiles regularly. Give GoLogin a shot and see how it can transform the way you handle multiple accounts. It's an essential tool for anyone who values productivity and wants to maintain control over their online activities without the usual hassles.